Tax season is a scam, and I'm not afraid to tell you guys why. Now, most tax preparers either they don't want to tell you this or they don't have the information or the knowledge to be able to explain it to you. But I'm going to break it down real simple. The way the IRS sets up paying taxes is set up for three different categories. There's the lower income earners, under 40,000, people with dependents, your everyday working class person. And then you have the upper echelon, 150, 200,000 and above, the self-employed, real estate investors, people who own multiple properties and businesses. But then you have that third class of people that are in the middle. If you're making between 50,000, maybe 150,000, the IRS tax code isn't really designed for you, right? Because we know if we're on the first end of the spectrum, you're under 40,000 with dependents, qualify for things like earned income credit, child tax credit. You're paying taxes throughout the year with your W-2 job. If you overpay, you get a refund, right? Now, the people on the higher end, they qualify for all types of write-offs, deductions, exemptions, depreciation, all different types of things that they can add onto their tax return. That's going to help them out. But the people that are right there in the middle, they kind of get the short end of the stick. So what we would try to do, especially for my clients, is we have to get creative to use the tax code to our benefit. How do we do this? What you need to do is look at some of the things that you might be passively doing. And instead of treating them like a hobby, you need to treat them like a business, because that's the only way that the tax code is going to work in your benefit. So let's say if you're somebody that's creating social media content, or if you have a weekend hobby that you do out of your garage or out of your house, or if you're in the process of putting something together as far as it could be a business potentially, but it's not all the way there yet, on the low end, what you need to do is get yourself an EIN number and become a sole proprietor. It's not always about what you're doing, but when it comes to the IRS, it's what you can prove. So if this is helpful, follow me for more tips. And if you want to explore how you can deeper dive into this situation, feel free to reach out to me.